Hello everybody! On this video, we're going to talk about the differences between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. At Optimum 7, we have done thousands of platform migrations in the past 10 years. BigCommerce to Shopify, WooCommerce to Shopify, Magento to Shopify, Volusion to Shopify, 3D Cart Shift 4 Shop to Shopify. So we know the Shopify infrastructure really well and all the functionalities of both Shopify and Shopify Plus. And on this video, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of the difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus. Can I have multiple stores on Shopify Plus? The answer is yes. Shopify Plus has a multi-store capability. As a matter of fact, you can have multiple stores in multiple countries, on multiple time zones, with multiple languages. You can basically go crazy on Shopify Plus, and that's one of the reasons most enterprise organizations out there that do 10, 20, 30, and Shopify has some businesses that are doing hundreds of millions of dollars, prefer Shopify because it solves those customized problems, that custom business problems, workflow issues, supply chain issues. There is nothing, literally, that Shopify Plus has not thought about when it comes to e-commerce technologies, and this is one of the reasons they are the top dog in the industry. If you have any questions about Shopify or Shopify Plus, capabilities, pricing, infrastructure, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.